Hey, check out this new kit we just got in.
This is incredible.
So this has 3 pieces to it that are so unique and fun.
No way, Margot. No way.
Yeah, this is would be the perfect layout set to give someone as a gift. So first of all, you can make this quilt right here. It has the backing in the front. Everything is already pre-cut with the binding, everything.
Wow.
So it feels like they put just a little piece of flannel in between this.
Yes.
Because it's not real thick. But I'm telling you, the thing that really intrigues me is the playmat. This is a circular playmat, and it comes with the binding and the backing for the playmat. I know that's a beautiful
and it looks
backing.
like waves.
It does.
On
It
its
looks
own.
like waves.
That's not the quilting.
No, and it is a little thicker. So it feels like they've put like a poly down in between this to make it just a little more soft
For your
when the baby lays
on.
down. And maybe it's even 2 thicknesses. I can't quite tell.
I don't know, but
it's very, very cool. But look how much fun that's going to be to throw a baby on this.
tell me about this, Margot.
And
Is
then
this
it also
included?
comes with a stuffie. Yes, that's a pre-printed panel,
how
and it has this stuffie that you can make on it. You
wonderful.
just sew around and stuff it up, and then the baby just throws it around and plays with it. Isn't it just too cute?
Yes, absolutely. Or look, it matches right there, Margot.
It
oh
does.
My gosh.
And
Totally
look,
washable, right?
all washable. It's 100% polyester. All of these fabrics are, and they're so soft and wonderful to lay on. Your baby will love them. So it comes packaged really, really cute with a little band around it. But like I said, everything you need
for the
to make
3
all of
pieces.
these 3 pieces is in this package. Happy sewing!